Hello, grade 1 students. Our math lesson for today is all about number formation. In today's session, can you please prepare the following materials for practice? So we need a whiteboard eraser, a marker, and small whiteboard. Can you please pause this video for a while and prepare all the materials for our practice and continue once these materials are ready. Okay, so let's start now with our lesson. So this is all about the number formation rhymes from numbers 0 to 9. That's great. So first, let's count from 0 to 9. We have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And let's start with number 0. Excellent. So this is number 0. So as we practice writing each number, I want you to first look at the pencil, okay? This is the pencil. So follow the pencil in order for you to write each number correctly. Okay, so are you ready, class? Very good. Okay, so let's do it. Around and round and round we go. When we get home, we have a 0. Let's do it one more time. Around and round and round we go. When we get home, we have a 0. So this time, I want you to please hold your marker and write number 0 on your whiteboard. Okay, are you ready? That's great. So let's do it together. Around and round and round we go. When we get home, we have a 0. So were you able to do it properly? That's great. Just like what I've told you a while ago, you need to look at the pencil and follow it carefully, okay, in order for you to write the correct formation of each number. So let's move on to number 1. Excellent. Okay, so this is number 1. So again, I want you to look at the pencil. So it's the top of the number. So, and let's do it. Start at the top and down we run. And that's the way to make a 1. Let's do it again. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way to make a 1. I know it's just so easy for you to do it. And for sure, you'll be able to write number 1 correctly. So, are you ready? So can you please write it on your whiteboard? Start at the top and down we run. And that's the way to make a 1. So, were you able to do it properly? Well, if you're able to do it correctly, let's move on to the next number. And that is number 2. Okay, so this is number 2. Look at this number. Oh, it looks like a railway track. So you need to start here. Okay, so again, please look at the pencil. And let's do it. Around and back on a railway track. 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's do it one more time. Around and back on a railway track. 2, 2, 2. Now, it's your turn to write this number on your whiteboard. Let's do it. Around and back on a railway track. 2, 2, 2. Were you able to do it correctly? That's great. So let's move on to the next number. And that is number 3. So look, the pencil is here. And let's do it. around the tree and around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Let's do it again. Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. So kids, it's now your turn to write this number on your whiteboard. Okay, ready? Go. Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Were you able to do it? Wow, excellent kids. So this time, let's move on to number 4. Okay, so this is number 4 and the pencil is here at the top. So how are we going to write number 4? Please look at the pencil carefully. Okay? Now let's do it. Down and over. Down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Okay, let's do it one more time. Down and over. Down some more. That's the way to make a 4. So kids, this time it's your turn to write number 4 on your whiteboard. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Down and over, down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Were you able to do it correctly? If not, it's okay. You just need to keep on practicing so that you'll be able to write this number or all the numbers correctly. So let's move on to the next number, and that is number 5. So where is the pencil right now? The pencil is here. You shouldn't start from here, but you have to start here. So how are we going to write number 5? So down and around, then a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. Okay, one more time. Down and around, then a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. So kids, it's your turn now to write number 5 on your whiteboard. Okay, ready? Go. Down and around, then a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. I know it's a little bit hard to write this number, but just like what I've told you earlier, please keep on practicing because it's very important for you to write the correct formation of each number. I know you can do it. Okay? So shall we move on? Okay, that's great. So let's move on to the next number, and that is number 6. Okay, so this is number 6. And where do you think is the pencil? You think the pencil is here? Or here? Yeah, very good. It should be here at the top. Okay? So let's do it. So here, so the pencil is here. So let's follow the pencil, okay? Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Let's do it one more time. Down we go and make a hoop. Number 6 makes a hoop. So it's easy, right? Okay, so now it's your turn to write it on your small whiteboard. Are you ready? Okay, that's great. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Okay, so let's do it, or let's go to the next number, and that is number 5. Number 7 is easy. I know you'll be able to do it correctly. But kids, you know, when we write number 7, we shouldn't start from the bottom. because others are doing this way. They go down, up, and to the left. We should start on top. Look at the position of the pencil. Your pencil should be here, okay? And let's do it. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. Let's do it again. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. Okay, now kids, it's your turn to write it on your small whiteboard. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way we make a 7. Now let's go to the next number, and that is number 8. Okay, in writing number 8, it says here we need to make an S. So the pencil should be here. Okay, so please look at the pencil carefully so that we will not be confused in writing this number. Okay, make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. Make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. Now, can you please write it on your small whiteboard? You can do it. Keep on trying. Okay? Let's do it. Make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. That's great. I know this is a little bit hard, but like what I told you a while ago, and I keep on telling you this, that please keep on practicing. Okay? So let's move on to number 9. Wow, look at this number. Other students start writing here from bottom to top. It shouldn't be. I want you to look at the pencil carefully, and the pencil is here. So look at the movement of the pencil. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Okay, one more time. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. So this time I want you to please write it on your small whiteboard. Okay? Okay, ready? Go. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Okay, kids, these are actually the proper ways in writing numbers 0 to 9. Always remember that correct practice makes perfect. So I'm going to see you again in the next video, okay? So see you again, kids. Bye!